Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. So I wanted to give you guys a quick nail tutorial for the 4th of July. I've been doing my nails for the 4th of July pretty much every year for the past like 5 years. I just think it's something fun to do. It just gives me an excuse to do some kind of nail art. So I did my nails and I did film this tutorial, so if you are interested, that is what this video is going to be about. I also filmed a tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now, and that will be up tomorrow, so if you're interested, stay tuned. If you are new here, hi, my name's Corinne. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. So I've already put a base coat on my nails. I'm using the Sally Hansen Maximum Growth and the Sally Hansen Strengthener. I used both of them as base coats. I just find that they are the best for my nails since they are so weak. So we are going to start with polish, and the blue we are using is Sinful Colors Endless Blue. I think this is the best blue for the 4th of July, and I'm only putting this on my pinky. So there is the first coat of the blue. Then we are using Kale Polish Paper Snow for the white. I think this is the best white polish that I have right now. I use a different white, and I have used that before from Glisten and Glow, but unfortunately mine is not good anymore. So I reached for this new bottle of Paper Snow, and I'm putting that on my ring finger and my middle finger. And the red we are using for this is from OPI, and this is from the Hello Kitty collection, and this is called Cheery Blooms, and we are just putting that on my index finger. That is the only finger that I am putting this red on. And then for the thumb, we are using Essie's Rock Your World. This is such a gorgeous polish. This has all these holographic flecks and sparkles in that, so I thought it was perfect for the 4th of July. It kind of reminds me of fireworks. So I just put that on my thumb for this. And that is what the first coat looks like. So I just kind of redid everything. I just did the second coat of all of those polishes, except I did not do a second coat on my ring finger for the white. So that is what 2 coats of those colors look like on my nails. And now we are going to start with the nail art. So I don't even remember where I got this little brush, but you can get it from the craft store. So I'm just using a really thin brush, and first I'm going in with the red, and you just want to kind of make a swirl with the paintbrush. And I'm going to speed this up a little bit just so you can see, but after I do the red, I'll speed it up. So you can see the red, it just looks like a swirl. So if you were to see a firework, or if you were to tie-dye actually, you start off kind of doing all the rubber bands and then putting all the dye in kind of that spiral shape. So that's kind of what I'm doing with the polish, and you do kind of want to put a pretty thick coat. So this one, I'm kind of just creating the shape with this paintbrush. So that's kind of the initial step that I wanted to do with the red. So next I'm going in with the white, and I'm going to just do the same thing, and then I'm going to kind of thicken everything up. So I'm just going to speed it up, and you can watch all of the steps. Now that the layers are thick enough, we're getting to the more complicated part, and we're using that brush and starting at the center and just kind of drawing a line out to the edges of your nails. So you're going to do that, I think I did that 6 times, and then you're going to take the brush and start from the outside, and then you're going to drag that into the center. So that kind of creates those points that you see on tie-dye shirts or anything you tie-dye. So it creates that star effect, I guess you would say. So mine's a little bit messy. It kind of looks like a 2nd grader did it, but it turns out looking okay, especially from far away. You look pretty close and it kind of just looks like a mess, but I still like how it turned out. And then I used an Essie shade, and this is called Carnival, and this is a beautiful glitter shade, and I just wanted to add a little bit extra to that tie-dye firework nail, so I just wanted to put that on top. And then of course I'm finishing off with the Glistening Glow top coat. This is my favorite top coat, and you can see I kind of smudged my middle finger. I of course swiped that with my right hand as I was painting, but oh well, I fixed it after. So I'm just putting the top coat on all of my nails, and then that is the final look. I do love how this turned out. It was kind of difficult. I thought it was going to be a little easier than it was. You do really need to get thick enough lines with the paintbrush, and the nail polish needs to be kind of wet enough for you to drag the paint across. So as you can see, that's a close-up. I think it looks pretty nice, and this is perfect for the 4th of July, and tie-dye is super in right now, so it fits that as well. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!